Hi there, in this video we're going to look at this, parallel rendering. Okay, they're going to race together, they're faster than duplicating it. We kind of looked at it in the last video quickly. I'm going to cover it a little bit more detail here, show you how to combine it with some presets for maximum rendering goodness. All right, let's jump in. All right, to do it, send something to a media encoder. Okay, and in here you've got the two options. Have it selected, you either duplicate it, and that is fine. You'd probably do that if you wanted to go to different places. You probably don't want to do that though. So I'm going to delete that. You probably want to select it, okay, and say, give me an output, a different output. Okay, and in here you can do nice things like, in terms of this one, it was 4K. So let's say that I need everything the same. Okay, I'm going to go for my adaptive high, but this particular one needs to be my kind of like standard or full HD. Okay, and obviously you can keep going through this one. You might want a super low version as well, and it's actually going to be maybe standard definition 720. Nice small version that I can send out, and it's going to use the preset of low. Oh, change that. Can you see? It's gone and changed my height. You know what you're doing. And it is significantly faster doing this kind of like multi-processing or parallel processing, or I call it concurrent processing, than it is duplicating it. Okay. I'm going to select all mine and put them in somewhere more. Actually, it can go there. Perfect. You can kind of see it down here trying to do the different versions. It's a race. What size, what format goes first? Obviously, the 4K one's going to take the longest. But definitely faster than duplicating them and doing them all separately. The reason you do them separately is when you've got actually different files. Okay, so I might have these kind of, these guys here. You can actually drag it straight to Media Encoder. I'm a big fan of dragging things to where they should or might go. So you drag these. I'm gonna, on my Mac, I can hold Command Tab. I think it's Shift Tab, Control, maybe the Windows button tab on a PC. And you can just drag it straight to Media Encoder. Or like me, I've got a separate monitor that I normally use when I'm not recording. So I'll just drag them straight into here, okay, and get them rendering out. But because they're separate videos, they need to be separate. They can't run parallel because they're not the same thing. That parallel exporting gets better as well. Let's clear all of this out. Minus, yes. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one, clear that one up just so it looks tidy. And actually, I don't want these two, because that took a while, right? We had to go in and say, I want an HD, and I want a low version, and I want this other version. What you can do is, we'll cover presets in a video coming up, but they're not hard to create. See this kind of folder here? I've got some presets. Okay, this is what I do for my, say, podcasts. Okay, I need a WAV version, and I need a couple of different sizes for the videos. You can drag the whole folder onto not this bit, but that bit, and you will get or our parallel exporting. Don't need that version. Don't show again. Okay, so it's a lot quicker. Dump one in, have some presets ready to go. Either you've made, or in my case, I've just collected them from these preset folders, put them into a group that I use. And we can benefit from that parallel processing again. All right, that is the difference between duplicating and creating an output in Media Encoder so that we can do parallel versus queued rendering or encoding. All right, on to the next video.